Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the last video where we talked about how Florida became the Sunshine State. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Was Florida named by Juan Ponce de Leon? Yes, he named it La Florida. Did Florida originally belong to the United States? No, it first belonged to Spain. Did Florida become the 50th state? No, it became the 27th state. Was Florida full of big cities from the beginning? No, it was mostly swamps and forests at first. Did Henry Flagler help build railroads in Florida? Yes, he helped develop the state's transportation system. Was the nickname the Sunshine State adopted in 1970? Yes, it became official that year. Does Florida have cold winters? No, it has warm temperatures most of the year. Is Miami one of Florida's famous cities? Yes, it is a major city in Florida. Are the Everglades found in Florida? Yes, they are located in southern Florida. Is Florida important for space exploration? Yes, it's home to major space launch sites like Kennedy Space Center. Watch this feedback video again to make sure you master all the details, and don't forget to subscribe so you can continue this incredible journey through English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.